Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. I've missed you guys. This is going to be my first cash stuffing back after taking a month off. So I have been saving as much money as possible, trying to get my crap together. And so I'm going to do this cash stuffing, which is going to consist of my everyday wallet, which is this little one, and my bill binder. Now for January, I do have money in my account already, my bank account, and I'm paying all that money. So this right here is going to be going toward February. So I have January's bills all paid, everything caught up. This is going to be for February, and then of course this is weekly. So today I have, let's see, I have a 50, which I'm going to just put up there because 50 stock accounting. I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500, and 10, and 20. So I have 520 that I'm going to be stuffing today. Now this money has been accumulating. Like I got 500 bucks for Christmas from my family when I went down to see them, and like I said, I've just been saving as much as possible. So let's get this started. So how have you guys been? How was your Christmas and your New Year's? New Year's, however that goes. New year, new me. I don't know. I'm still undecided. Actually, I am still at Walmart part-time, but I've decided basically to go back to school. So right now I am on unemployment and it's going to last about 6 months. And so I'm going to go back to school right now, and then I'm going to eventually pick up shifts at Walgreens till kind of being full-time, kind of still being part-time. Just basically trying to figure it out, because I heard that there's another girl who's leaving and they're going to be like, just take her hours. So I don't know how it's going to go, but right now I'm just taking it day by day and seeing where everything leads me. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put gas in here. Now I'm going through this weird thing where my car is smoking. It's not good. Sorry, I'm going to put $40, so 20 and 40. So my car is a mess and it's going to go get fixed. And I have that money in the bank as well, which is good. I'm telling you, like, these sinking funds, they really did, like, help me. I had to clear every single one of them out and then stick them all in one bank together, but I was able to do it. So, gas has 40 now. Grocery is actually not getting anything for this one. Household is getting a total of $10. So this year is all about saving for me. And with my church, I actually signed up for the Dave Ramsey class. I don't know exactly what it is. It's like the money management stuff. But yeah, I'm going to be taking the Dave Ramsey course. Hopefully I can get better with my income. So my pets are not getting anything, especially since I keep buying them food. It's just $16 for a bag of food because that's all Walmart had. But I still have 5 and 10 right now. So I don't know what else is new. Just taking it day by day, I guess. Miscellaneous is going to be getting $10. Let's go ahead and shove that in here. Okay, bus. My kids are not really taking the bus anymore. They take it when they have to. But I have been picking them up every day because I don't really have anything else to do. you know, I do apply for jobs and stuff, but it's been kind of hard because it's either like I'm making a lot less money or I'm not qualified to do a lot of stuff. That's why I decided to go back to school. So bus is getting $20. It is $2 a bus. Without the transfer, they just have to take one bus home. And so that is $2. I do have 2 kids, so that equals $10 per kid, which equals $20 a week. And then deposit is going to get nothing because that's just if I happen to spend my money from my debit card and I have to put it back into the bank. Alright. This one right here is my bill binder. Now, everything does look the same because it is. I did not go crazy and, like, rebuy envelopes and all that other stuff. I feel like when I see something, then I'll definitely, you know, get it in the future. But as of right now, I'm kind of just, I'm trying to save as much as possible. I never know what tomorrow is going to bring. And every time I pick up a shift at Walgreens, it actually takes money out of like the unemployment insurance and stuff like that. So I'm just trying to do as much as possible. Now, right now, my rent is going to get, let's see, 140. So I have 60, 70, 80, 140. Okay, here we go. So I have 50, 60, 80, 100, 120, and 140. Now, I did film my son's stuff first because he actually, I made sure all of his binders were put up, but I do have money in here because of that. So, I'm just going to go ahead and throw this in there. My electric bill, my electric is going to be getting $40. Electric has gotten so high up there. So I'm just going to put that in here. Now, like I said, it's going to explain a little bit more once you see my son's cash stuffing. But my son, he is disabled. And so he was finally qualified for SSI, or qualifies for SSI. He did when he was younger, and then because I worked so much, they took it away from us. And so now he's getting it as an adult, and so he gets about $600 a month. And then I told him, because we're doing the Dave Ramsey thing where 50% goes toward bills, 20 towards savings, $30 toward like your spending, which is like food, gas, you know, all that stuff. I'm actually doing this with him as well, and so he's gonna be helping me. $300 every month is gonna go toward bills. So right now that's gonna help me with my my family phone bill, because it is $180 on a contract with phones, all that stuff. That's why it's so expensive. But he's gonna help me with everything else too, because he's a good boy. So we've already talked about it, and he does have an envelope. He chooses where all his money goes, all that stuff. So you'll be seeing those videos coming up. But $40 went into savings. Gas. This one right here is for my gas bill, which is my heat. This one is going to get $40 as well. So I have 20 and 40 heading into there. Okay, insurance is not going to get anything because I basically don't have a car right now, so I don't have insurance. Internet is going to be getting a total of 40. So I have 20 and 40 right here. Home. So my phone, I don't know why I said home. Phone is going to be getting $60. So I have 20, 40, and 60. Thrive is going to be getting nothing, but this is now going to be a savings challenge for me, is this Thrive bill. Let's see, TD is going to be getting $10. Oops, here we go. And this is for the bank fee. It's not $10. It's, I think, $6 every month. but I'm just putting in $10 because that can go toward like a buffer or whatever. Amazon is going to be getting $10 as well, and because I do not have a car, it's kind of better to buy stuff with Amazon. Plus, I don't have cable. I only have Amazon, the Fire Stick, and so I kind of keep that on so that we have options to like watch stuff like that. Walmart is going to be getting $10 because I am not driving my car. This is $13 a month, and they deliver food to my house. So I had to take an Uber today, and the Uber was actually $10 plus tip, so it came out to $15. One direction. So it was $30 that I spent today on Ubers just to get back and forth. So it's going to be the same amount. I might as well just spend the $14 or $13.99, whatever the Walmart is, to have them deliver it to my house. Just makes a lot more sense that way for me. Okay, so for Hot Topic is going to be getting 20. Okay, TD Bank is going to be getting 20. Oh, let's see. Burlington is going to be getting 20. JCPenney is going to be getting 20. For some reason, I don't know why or how, I have $10 left. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just put this in with my electric, because electric has been crazy. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there. I'm not going to count these right now. I might count them in the next one, only because my videos are going to be out of sync, so it's not going to really make sense where if I'm like, today I have 150 and then next time I only have 100 or something like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this out, but I will count it later on. I've been doing a lot of setup, trying to figure out where everything is going to be. I'm letting my OCD run wild with all of this stuff, but I did want to keep this video pretty simple and pretty short, and so I just wanted to say that I miss you guys. For all of you who did stick around knowing that I wasn't going to be uploading for a while, I really do appreciate it, and I just want to say thank you, and I really hope that you guys have a great year. Last year was insane for all of us, you know, and so this year, it's gonna get better. You know, we got this. We've been through so much. We're gonna get through it all. You know, we all got this. So whatever you're going through right now, just know that, you know, you are strong and you got this. We're gonna make it work. All right, so continue to grow with me, continue to learn with me, because Dave is going to be teaching me a lot of stuff. I know most of it. I kind of stopped doing the whole Dave Ramsey thing for a while because he was telling everybody, like, go out and get another job and you go and deliver pizzas and you do this, and I'm just sitting there like, all right, so I already got the beater car and I'm already eating rice and beans every day and I already have 4 jobs and I'm already not able to pay bills. You know, that's how my bankruptcy came about. So it was all medical. It was medical stuff. If you're wondering about my bankruptcy, it was because I was getting garnished and I was working 3 jobs, and because they were garnishing me because I couldn't afford a hospitalization for my son, all this happened. So, but it's good, because if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't be learning now how to do this. And because Aiden is 18, he's going to be taking that class with me. So if you don't know, Aiden is my son. Sometimes his envelopes say Axe, only because his name is Aiden Xavier. So if you see that, that's who that is. But you shouldn't see that anymore, actually, because I got rid of all his envelopes. Everything has kind of changed. I pared down. I think this is going to work and it's going to be good this year. So I hope that if you are new here, even though I'm rambling right now, that you do subscribe and help this community grow, and let's keep growing together, okay? Hope that you guys have a great day. Bye, friends.